So we're all done with the cooler, oil cooler, gasket, and oil filter housing gasket. And all we used on this was for the belt, torque 60 with a 1/2-inch ratchet. We used a 3/8 ratchet, 13, an E10, and E10 12. We also use an E12. This is a ratchet wrench, E10 and 12. This is E12 with a extension, and I believe that's all I use, other than brake cleaner and paper towels as well. And then start it up, test everything, make sure you put your battery back on. This is Jeff, All Around Auto Tech, signing out. If you've appreciated the video, please subscribe to our channel.